How to send GIFs on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about sending GIFs to a specific individual, your friends, family whom you're connected on Facebook and have fun. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Messenger application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. For that, go to Play Store, search for Messenger application. Then if you see an update button, something like this highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the newest and latest version available. Now come back and launch your Messenger application. Here, simply select the conversation you'd like to work with. Tap on the smiley icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you will see various options such as emoji, then GIF section, and here you can see AI stickers, your avatar stickers, and you can also search and generate AI stickers as well. But for this video, as we are looking for GIFs, we are simply going to switch over to GIF section, and here you will search for any GIF we'd like to send. I just searched for GIFs related to HAVD, and here you can see several different options. Now right here, you can select any one you'd like to send. Simply tap on it and it will be immediately sent to the person you're trying to send. So this is how you can exactly send GIFs to specific individuals on your Messenger or Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.